डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम एंजाइम एक्शन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। जैसा हमने बताया, एंजाइम बायोकेमिकल कैटलिस्ट होते हैं और इनका वर्क क्या होता है, जो भी बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शन होते हैं उनको कैटलाइज करना। मैं ए.के. पांडे, पीजीटी केमिस्ट्री, जेएनबी शाहजहांपुर से हूँ। जो एंजाइम एक्शन है, एंजाइम एक्शन मतलब एंजाइम कैटलाइज्ड रिएक्शन, उसको ये माना जाता है कि एंजाइम लॉक की तरह, और वह जिन रिएक्शन को कैटलाइज करता है यानी सबस्ट्रेट, वो की तरह बिहेव करते हैं। जैसा हर लॉक में कोई भी की फिट नहीं हो सकता, उसी तरह कोई भी सबस्ट्रेट एंजाइम से बाइंड नहीं हो सकता। तो एक पर्टिकुलर सबस्ट्रेट के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर एंजाइम होता है। जैसा हमने एंजाइम की प्रॉपर्टी या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक के बारे में बताया था आपको कि एंजाइम इज़ वेरी स्पेसिफिक फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन, there is a particular enzyme. For example, a urease decomposes urea into ammonia and carbon dioxide. Likewise, invertase breaks sucrose or sugar into one molecule of glucose and one molecule of fructose. So, if we discuss about enzyme action, that is lock and key hypothesis. If you see in figure, the gray color is enzyme. There is a groups or there is a cavities in the enzyme. Cavity means a lot of functional group present in that cavity. Cavity signifies that a lot of functional group in that. Few functional group I mentioned already. The functional group NH2 means amine, carboxylic acid, thiol, alcohol, etc. are the some functional group present in these cavities, and these cavities are called active site. And because of this active site, the enzyme behaves like a lock. Substrate contains that type of functional group which bind with the functional group present in the enzyme. Means there are complementary groups or cavities in the substrate. So substrate behaves like a key. What happens when we use key in the lock? The lock opens. Can we use every key in the lock? No. A particular key can be used in a particular lock. Likewise, a particular substrate bind with the active site of enzyme. What happens when the substrate bind with the active site? Which type of bond? Maybe the hydrogen bond, maybe some other polar dipole interaction, or some chemical bonds are there to bind with the enzyme. If the substrate bind with the enzyme, they form enzyme substrate complex. It is similar to the intermediate when reactants combine and form an intermediate. Likewise, there are enzyme substrate complex. This is a very unstable complex species formed for a few nanoseconds. When the enzyme substrate complex is formed, then the substrate get converted into product. When the substrate get converted into product that leave the enzyme, then this enzyme is spare for some other similar type of reaction. So we can represent the enzyme catalyzed reaction into two steps. There is a two-step of enzyme catalyzed reaction. First step is binding of enzyme to the substrate to form activated complex. As I told, it's a very unstable species. The step 2 is decomposition of activated complex to form the product. This is all about the enzyme catalyzed reaction. Here I placed a video link from the YouTube, but it is not working. So thank you all, and I think you understand the enzyme, how enzyme works. In this video there is a substrate is similar to the key, as I told. There is active site in the enzyme. The substrate bind with the enzyme and form one molecules of glucose and one molecules of fructose. That's all about the enzyme action.